Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is part 4 of Build a Simple Flow Trailhead project. So if you've been following along and followed the other 3 videos, you are ready to jump into this one to earn our badge today. But if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. I'm putting out new Salesforce content each week. And let's go ahead and jump into this. So today we're on the create or update a contact section here. And I already have it open another tab, and we're gonna go ahead and jump into this and start working through this. If you don't already have your flow open, go ahead and get that open because we're about to update it. So in the create new path, we're gonna go ahead and add an element here. We're gonna hit the plus sign, and we are gonna use the create record element here. For the label, we are entering create contact. We're gonna create one record, and we're gonna use all values from a record, and we're gonna select contact. And we'll go ahead and hit done here. And let's just save our flow just to be safe so we don't lose our work if something happens. And on the update existing, we're gonna hit the little plus sign here, and we're gonna use the assignment element. For the label here, we are gonna put in set contact ID. And here we're gonna select contact ID equals the contact from find a match ID, contact ID. There we go. Just like that. And we'll hit done. We're going to hit the save button again. The Trailhead really likes to make sure you save every time, and that's okay. Now we're going to hit the plus sign again here, and we're going to use an update record element. And we're going to call this one update contact. And we're going to select contact here for the record or collection records. And we're going to hit done. And we're going to hit that save button. And that's the last step in this Trailhead. So we're going to go ahead and verify to see if we get our 100 points here. So we're going to hit verify. Let's see if we passed. All right, looks like we earned our badge for build a simple flow. So if you've been following along, that means you just earned your badge. And I gave that one 5 stars. I like that project. It's a great beginner project to learn how to use flows. We're going to go in the debug and play with this thing. All right, so let's go into the back to the flow. We're going to hit debug. All right, so let's debug our flow here. We're going to select Alan Johnson like we did last time. We'll hit run. We do want to select update existing contact. We're going to hit next. And it looks like everything worked properly. You can see it took the update records path, which is what we wanted to. But this is a pretty cool little simple flow project they have built in. We earned us a badge, which is pretty cool. But if you enjoyed this type of content, make sure to give this a like so I know to make more content like this in the future. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos, and I'll see you in the next one.